This thing is dirty. All right, back again. Something new. A box.
What's in it?
What's in the box? Is it a car? Is it a car from China?
New gas tank for the
I mean, technically,
Corvair,
technically it is sort of a car in China.
as close as you can get it.
I think most people actually use this type of transportation there. So, anyways, this is gonna be. Well, let's just unbox it and we'll see, and then we'll talk about it.
Oh, it smells weird.
Don't smell it.
I think it can smell the ground. It's moldy.
Probably.
Why is it moldy? Ooh.
I don't know why you're moving that around.
There's a dead bug, a big black dead bug right there.
Oh God, it looks disgusting. All right, hold on.
Got a little ecosystem.
Okay, that's pretty disgusting. So first of all, this weird mound of something. Something was living in that, I guess. There's a caterpillar. There's, oh, what the, what is that? There's a mushroom with a caterpillar eating it.
And a whole, the ground
weird,
is all
like,
green,
gloopy
man.
things. Dude, that thing is a nightmare. Okay, that's enough. It looks really small.
Looks small. Are you insane? That thing is huge.
Well, it's because the front wheel is on. It's like low. I mean, like you sit like this, your legs would be dragging on the ground.
Cool.
So, anyways, this is I'm assuming a 2020 or what are these, like?
2021.
It's not Comic Sans, but it's also not a very good font.
Oh, here we go. Most important part.
Yeah.
Made in China.
So this is like a 2020 or 2021, or I don't know if they even have years really, or if they changed it all. But this is
Did you
a.
hear the panda or something?
This is a Hawk 250, I have to guess, enduro bike from China. They're like $1,500 or something like that on Amazon. So I'm sure other people have probably looked at these before and did videos about them. I don't know if sorry, you probably can't even hear me. But anyways, yeah, that's we're gonna take this apart and assemble it and give a small review. Oh, they give you free wire, nice. Give you a little review about it.
I got to believe my love wasn't enough. You are in every dream and everything I lay my eyes on.
Oh, cool. With the same font, you get the cool.
Put that on something else. Put the other one on that.
This looks so cheesy to me. I don't know why. It's just the font is just awful. I hate it. A Comic Sans would have been better. And what is it supposed to protect it from? Look how big the hole is.
Spooky.
Was it for like a fuel line to protect your fuel line or something?
That's a. Where's the handlebars?
Okay, this box does me no good whatsoever.
Safety.
Did it come with handlebars?
Well, they must be laying on the side. I think they have all the equipment on still. So you just pick it up, put it on there. Indicators, lamp.
Oh, maybe those long bolts. Oh shit, we gotta put these back in here, I think. Maybe. Oh, I bet you all those bolts would probably go to this motorcycle somewhere. Dude, think about it.
That would be pretty smart. I would be surprised if that was a fact.
Cool, ride it around. Hurry up.
Parking,
Rev it up.
maintenance.
Ooh, dude, the fuel cap's nice. It's like billet aluminum.
Is it?
Yeah.
Nice.
It's fancy.
Oil, engine oil. Just nothing. Cleaning, air cleaner, crankcase breather, throttle. Wait, maybe that's the start of it. Throttle inspection, adjustment, clutch system, spark plug, brakes. This is not an assembly thing. This is a maintenance thing.
Okay, well, it can't be that hard to assemble. Let's see, there's handlebars right here.
Ooh, they even give you a wiring schematic.
Oh, it's still supported by this. No, not really. Okay.
What are you looking for when you look at me? You gotta know. I was
It smells like China, dude.
You are in every dream and everything I lay my eyes on.
Congratulations on your purchase of the Ricky Power Sports LLC Hawk 250 dirt bike. Ricky Power Sports, nice, dude. That's cool.
At least it's an American name. I feel better now.
Yeah, Johnny American brand power sports bike.
And everything I lay my eyes on. What are you looking for when you look at me? You gotta know. I was
So far I could say don't buy a bike from China because it doesn't come with any instructions. Unless you've done these before. It's probably gonna be pretty confusing. Also, it looks like it's crushing.
Time to watch a YouTube video.
Well, I was quickly looking online while I was getting a drink, and apparently someone had scanned the instructions. When I clicked on the thread, it was like a tiny pic, so it was like not there anymore. So there's no instructions to be found. It might be somewhere, but
Hate that shit.
other people were complaining about also not finding instructions.
Well, that's good to know.
I guess.
I'm not the only one, right?
I'm pretty sure they ship it everyone without instructions. It only makes sense. I wonder if the other spring is for this, because there's another hole on this.
Maybe.
I don't see any other place, but I didn't see any place to put it to.
There's a spring hole here, and there's another hole here, but you gotta know where it would go to from there. And I don't know if it needs another spring to bring it. No, because it just should come back. Oh, it's so rattly.
There's even a washer in that too.
It's horrible, dude.
Is there anything else that might fit? Maybe we missed something.
I'm looking everywhere. I don't see anything that would require a spring. I guess we'll have to ride it to find out. Be like, if your brakes lock up and won't go back, then yeah, you probably need a spring in there or something. I don't know. I think if it's on the ground, it'd probably be easier to do too, because the stand's kind of in the way. Or the transmission jack's kind of.
Oh yeah, you would have been able to get it with that 10 mil for sure.
Probably.
Oh, you poured all the gas out though, you idiot.
What?
You stole all my gas.
That's why I said I thought you might want some. He said no.
I didn't hear you say that.
Yes, I did. I said, oh, I figured you might want some. You're like, no, I'm just gonna refill it. I'm like, okay. And I poured it
Well,
all.
you didn't say for this. Thought you meant for other vehicles.
No, I specifically said for this because we're gonna assemble your motorcycle. You might need it.
You definitely don't want these rubber things in there.
What rubber things?
Those.
Cool. Why not?
Because you just slide right off of that.
It's gonna fatigue your.
Let me sit on it like that.
No, I don't want to do that up there.
Yeah.
Oh, you still need to tighten your
No
handlebars.
slip on the left side and 100% slip on the right. Okay. We got all these little pieces left.
I don't know how to take that off.
What do we do with all that? And we got clothes hangers
Those are just extra stuff that you don't need.
and a couple of reflectors.
Oh, I got it out.
Exhaust cover. Oh, nice. All right. This needs a screw on someplace. Let's just put them in here.
Yeah, there you go. Just throw them away. They're stupid. Those are things you throw away. It's like when you buy a bicycle, you like immediately rip all that shit off and throw it away.
This is concerning. Very concerning.
It's just a replacement one for your kickstand or something in case it breaks. Maybe it like breaks pretty often.
Inherently defective.
I guess maybe it's just a free gift thing. They're like, oh, free gift when you buy a motorcycle, you get spring. You already hooked up the battery?
Yeah.
Does your electronics work?
I don't know. I didn't turn it on.
Well, you should probably test that before you close it all up.
Maybe, yeah.
Like I said, the battery may need a charge, considering how long it's been in here. It's from China and everything else.
Fuck. Oh, it's got a...
I think that's to push open, yeah, because you gotta push that and then. There you go. Awesome. I'll turn it on all the way though. Nothing?
Uh-uh.
You turn it more?
Uh-uh.
That's it?
Yep.
Oh, it doesn't do anything? Oh, your blinkers are on. This blinker's on. These blinkers. Doing, doing, doing. So when you inevitably crash this thing. Oh! Well, that works. So
Why is nothing else working?
like,
This needs...
what else do you want to work? Yeah, you figured these lights would come on. Do your blinker lights don't work?
Oh, nice. Wait a minute.
When you turn on the blinker, does these blink?
Oh, wait a
Blinkers
minute.
aren't on. They blinking now?
I don't see anything.
Okay, well that doesn't work too.
Uh-oh, we gotta take this off. You wired it up wrong.
No, it didn't.
100%.
There's only one way to wire it up. Here, you fix it then. Back to the drawing board, I guess. You get to catch fire first time you're riding. Oh, air tank's under the seat. Oh, you can like suck in your farts into the motor. It's like nitrous.
didn't remember to hook up your fuel line first. Apparently they didn't hook that up. I guess that was our problem.
Everything else look good?
I guess.
You see any gas coming out anywhere?
No?
Alright. Oh, I know the key.
First start.
Yeah. Thanks.
You have to get off. I was getting it for you.
I didn't realize where it was. I knew I put it out here
Will
someplace.
it run? Chinese bike that we just put together with no instructions. There's probably loose bolts all over. Don't go too fast or anything, because you don't know what kind of condition this thing's in.
That is the stupidest design.
It's anti-theft, dude. You need that.
Pretty sure anybody who's gonna steal it would just fucking break the wiring and tear into that.
Need a helmet?
I'm just gonna start it.
Can I go drive it? Stop honking. So loud. Come on, baby.
You gotta chill.
Shouldn't. Oh, there you go. Oh. Oh. Smoky. It's supposed to smoke. Oh, that's really good.
You gotta warm up. Gas gauge isn't working.
Perfect. Maybe you didn't fill it enough.
It should come up off the key.
It is. It's not touching the thing.
Probably needs an adjustment on the
Carburetor is going to need to be adjusted, like I said. You're pretty sure that's up to you to adjust the carburetor when you buy this. Yeah. Should probably check the tires too. I don't think we put any air in those. Big green F-250 over there is in high idle mode. Hadn't been started in a while, so gotta start it up.
What happened? Oh, you can't get through? Bit of a traffic jam over here. Do a wheelie!
That's alright.
Wheelie!
I can smell it burning though. Plastic or oil and shit that's on the motor.
It's gonna do that for sure.
Probably shouldn't run it very long, huh? Run it for a sec, shut it off, let it cool off, do it
Oh,
again.
I don't know about that. I don't know if you want to heat cycle it more. You might want to give it a good ride. I don't know.
Dude, it's squirrely as fuck with these tires in this dirt. It is sketchy as hell.
Is it?
Yeah. There's so little contact with the soft sand.
That's one of the big complaints I heard from a lot of people with these is the tires are shitty, and that's like the first thing you gotta
Oh
replace.
shoot, I was like squirrely right over there. I was like, whoa. Open the gate.
Not gonna wear a helmet?
Forgot about the Ford.
Yeah.
Not gonna go fast.
Still. Oh, stinks.
Dude, like landing on me.
It stinks.
It's like I said, something that's like oil that's on this you can smell.
Well, yeah, it's all the machining oils and the paint and stuff.
Probably getting cancer right now.
Probably. You gotta ride it, that way it blows away from you.
Well, I guess he's not gonna do a wheelie, so that's kind of lame.
Man, that
Thing stinks, dude. Stinks. Why does everything with China stink? What's going on over there? What kind of weird Chinese chemicals are you guys using? If you're from China, tell me. Oh, I don't see him coming out. Where'd he go? Just gone. I hear him somewhere. Oh, there you are. Shit.
It's scary, dude.
It's scary. He said it's scary. It's a Chinese motorcycle, dude. Sounds kind of cool. God, it stinks.
It is fucking crazy on that road. Dude. It's scary.
Is it? I mean, you get,
Yeah.
you get like mud tires on this thing.
I think that's the problem. Is that's the mud tires.
They're not mud tires. When people ride these around China in the cities, dude. I mean, that's like their city bike.
It is squirrely. You get in the soft stuff, and all of a sudden, the ass end starts doing a fishtail, and like you're not even going very fast.
Yeah, you got a gun in, dude. You should have done wheelies. That's your problem. You weren't doing any wheelies.
I don't think that's good. It can do it if it wanted to.
You couldn't do a wheelie?
I could do a wheelie with a Ford before I could do it with this. Oh, what's up with that?
Chinese.
Fit finish.
So why does everything from China stink so bad?
I think it just stinks there, doesn't it? It's like a dirty place. They almost
Well,
they had to
no.
make them stop doing industry when they were doing the Olympics.
There's nice places in China. I mean, it's not all industry. There's like some pretty fancy cities and stuff.
It's pretty nice, huh?
Well, he said it rides like shit. It definitely smells bad.
Well, the tires. I
With
think
no
like,
instructions.
yeah,
I would give this as like a 0 out of 5.
for $1,500, brand new, shipped to your door. I think I had insurance and everything.
I don't know. I don't know how I'd judge this one.
I mean, look at it. It runs. You can drive it. The tires need to be replaced if you're going to be. I don't understand it. I thought these would be like the best and most solid on off-road situation, but
Well, I mean, look at your contact patch. You get like one of these at a time. That's your contact patch.
yeah, that's what I'm saying. And when you get in the soft
Sorry.
stuff, it really gets squirrely.
Yeah, it's pretty retarded looking.
Doesn't feel safe.
They don't look like great tires. Those are like old, like something you'd see on like an old Russian military bike or something.
Dude, it's old school, 80s Hondas and stuff.
Yeah, so probably buy some new tires. That'd probably help you out a lot. And an air filter, and a better exhaust, and a bigger carburetor.
Could just
Turbo.
get those things that cut the tires, the truers, and just take all the knobs off of it. That'd be all right. I think if you cut this off too, this is retarded.
What? That's for your license plate. You need
No,
that.
cut it off right here.
Oh.
It doesn't need to be there. License plate goes right here. And actually, the license plate's smaller than that. This is gigantic. That's for like
Yeah.
a car license plate.
It's pretty cool. Well,
$1,500.
this is probably a shitty video, but just be like a little quick one to show you, should you buy a bike for $1,500 from China? Well, we'll update you later and we'll see how it lasted. But currently right now, how do you feel? You think this is a good purchase?
Yeah.
You think it's a good
Yeah,
purchase?
$1,500.
I guess it might be okay. I don't know.
Well, it's the lasting part that you got to figure out. If it's gonna make it a week or 2 weeks or 3 year, I don't know.
Do you lose all your oil? Oh yeah, you got no oil suddenly.
Oh shit, maybe it doesn't ship with oil.
You said it had oil in it.
It did earlier.
Well, maybe that's why it doesn't run very well.
Well, we didn't run very long. That's fine.
Oh, dude, it's got a Shangwei carburetor. Shangwei.
Is that good?
Shangwei.
I kind of like this. I thought that was pretty tight.
Yeah, it's quick to disconnect for your exhaust.
Yeah. So you can put a super trap on it.
Shangwei, the leader in motorcycle carburetors. Buy today.
No, there was oil in it. 'Cause I pulled the dipstick out, remember?